Oh my god, it's really not my order. It's really not my order. What's up mga kabayt? I have famous Belgian waffles, yung peanut butter, banana. First time ko siya matatry. I want something, may protein, peanut butter yung napili ko. I want to open para makita nyo. Para siya Nutella. Baka hindi ko order to. Dapat peanut butter. May isang lalaki na una pa sa akin. Pero kasi may banana. Ayun, may peanut butter din. Hazelnut, peanut butter, and then banana. I think it's the cheap Nutella. I think it's Goya. 7/10. This is cream cheese. Oh my god, it's really not my order. It's tuna. I did not order tuna. Sabi ko, ba't nauna ako? Yung sinabi ni ate, banana hazelnut. Hindi ko na pinakinggan yung pangalawa. It's my fault. Whoever got my order here sa SM Light Mall, I will pay for your food and then sa'yo na yung food ko. Very sorry. Gutom na kasi ako. Umorder ako, sabay tayo. Kung nakuha ko yung order mo, just message me or just drop your comment. This tuna, I would rate this 6/10.